Hi everyone, I am Sushant and with me today is Tanisha at a very interesting venue for a very interesting event which is called YCC. So आइए जानते हैं ये क्या है. Tanisha, what is YCC?
Okay, so I'm Tanisha, my pronouns are she, her, and we are at an event called the Youth Climate Convening 2025. This is the third iteration of the Youth Climate Convening, we call it YCC, so it's the YCC 3.0 2025. It is a place to realize, to acknowledge, and to gather a lot of people who are working on different issues that are intersectional, that are looking towards the goal of climate justice. There are several people in different pockets in India who work on different things: gender, on caste, on land rights, on housing, on water, education, etc., etc. And our effort is to bring everyone together at a place so that we have a community space where we can share, where we can hold a space of love, where we can have a space where we are able to share our failures, our learnings, or what we did so well, give each other a pat on the back, ki, hey, you did well, and to learn, to share, and to be able to have that space, because a lot of us feel alone, and we need that space where we can say ki nahi hota kabhi kabhi, and that is something that we're trying to build at YCC, and also to look at support structures that we can give different people, that we can build together, so that our work gets a tad bit easier. It's a big task to be doing what we do, but to make it a tad bit easier, and that is what we want to do collectively.
Great. So for those of you who don't know, in helping communities, one of the ways Tanisha helps is called mutual aid. So would it be wrong if I say that YCC is sort of mutual aid for the people working on mutual aid?
Definitely it is. So I will just elaborate a tad bit on mutual aid. So in mutual aid principles, what we try to do is that we try to build support structures so that communities can come together. They build that structure together to be able to support each other a tad bit more, and with an aim to ensure that there is a just space for people. And exactly, so YCC is mutual aid.
Great. So any word of advice or a call out to people who are yet not connected with YCC, all the NGOs, the groups working to help people around the country?
Okay. So I would say that all of us, we always get to know that, oh, Earth has scarce resources, which is true. It does. And even in the movement space, the resources are scarce, which means that we need to mobilize resources. To be also be able to do something like YCC and to build those structures, we need resources. Resources can be X number, can be money, can be not money, can be advice, can be some expertise. And so a lot of us have different resources, and that is something that we need to pull together to be able to have those support structures for our community. And so this is a call out to everyone that we need a lot of resources, and we need to do it together. We need to do it collectively, and we need to do it quick. I mean, let's not see the world ending in our lifetime. And yeah.
So great. So friends, all of you who are working on different causes all over the country, all over the world, please get connected in YCC so that all of us can share, learn, and grow together.